I think the main difference is like I think it's about really nailing down things right. So if you can actually build all the stuff that we are building with Jotform AI, but like you have to like spend a lot of time here try to get things right. But we usually provide these like already optimized features and products as opposed to like building them from building them you know building like this like so I think that's the main difference. The other thing is like it's just like you have to learn this stuff, right? You also have to have like a ChatGPT business account, which in Jotform like you don't actually need that. You know, Even with Jotform free account, you have all these features. There are some limits, but basically all these features are available. Like we don't even ask for like API keys or ChatGPT Connect or anything like that. You can use all these AI features. They are just coming with Jotform already optimized, like opinionated, like correctly executed. So I think that's the main difference. Uh, but these are amazing, right? So this is just inspiration for us, like just being able to do all these things within our own product is, that could be like really exciting. So yeah, definitely, it's. I think there's just like there's this worry that like SaaS products like Jotform, right, or other products you can actually build like these products within using like codex or cloud code or like build agents that can also do the same things. And if you have a very simple product, maybe you can. But the difference is like products like established products, they already they have been building these products for a long time, and we made all the mistakes, right? And when you try to build, if you try to build your own SaaS, you're gonna make the same mistakes, and it might actually cost you even more to try to host this, like, right? Like run this every hour, you know like just doing so many things yourself. So I think there is there is a balance here, right? If you want to do like stuff that's been really sold by SaaS products, I think it's better to cheaper, easier, stable, less buggy, more secure, to let the managed products like SaaS products to handle those things for you. But if you are building, like if you're integrating all these SaaS products to each other, if you are building all these workflows, all these custom workflows, then use products like ChatGPT, you know, uh, like ChatGPT agents. What was this called? ChatGPT
Workspace agents.
workspace agents. Yeah, yes, workspace agents to kind of like duct tape them together, like build these things together. And I think it's like just you became so much more product, right. In the past you had products like Zapier, Make, right, N810, things like that, that can actually like manually integrate them to each other. But now these products are actually much more flexible, much more powerful, smarter, to kind of do the work between these products, right? Let the QuickBooks handle the really, like, you don't want to learn accounting, like you don't want to learn the laws of accounting and like just mess with taxes and stuff like that. Let QuickBooks handle that, right? And you want to let Jotform handle your emails, right? Because we send 10 million emails every day. We know how to send emails, right? And just put don't lose emails in spam, things like that, right? Like you want to make sure your forms are stable, they have like the uptime, like almost 100% uptime, things like that, right? And secure forms, right? You want to Jotform handle your forms, or like those emails that come from forms, or like your the data. Or if you're like a healthcare company, like the HIPAA, you can sign a BAA with Jotform, things like that, right? So you want to make sure that like you're not messing with those things, right? You want to make sure. But when you're integrating with QuickBooks and JotForm, right? If we don't have integration with QuickBooks, I believe we have integration, by the way. But if we didn't have an integration, you could just go to ChatGPT agents like workspace agents and then build that integration. Now you can actually build the whole workflow and duct tape them together with AI and just automate your work. And automating your work will save you so much time that you can put that time into making things better. Save that time to work on important things as opposed to, like, repetitive tasks.